WETIN the best for Naija today. Na Pidgin Vibez news, night news recap. First gist, FIFA don dey decide Naija World Cup matter. People dey buzz online as dem await decision today. Inflation dey slow small. Inflation don drop to 15.10%. Small relief for pocket. But security wahala still dey. Police don arrest more people for killing of Cameroonians. Meanwhile, Miss Nigeria 2026 Fashion Fair don enter Lagos. Beauty plus style clash. Dem don launch new social app. People dey talk say e fit shake social media scene. Currency gist, Canadian dollar exchange rate to Naira just dey show small stability. Big alert from FG as dem warn Nigerians to watch out for illegal recruitment abroad. Correct one, search for Ramadan Crescent don dey begin. Muslims prepare. People still dey talk online say political influencers dey try spread propaganda online. Gist from streets and social feed. Some Naija youths dey hardened. People dey craze about life sef. Security top story still trend. People dey social media dey pray make peace come faster. Open jar gist say inflation slowdown still makes small hope for traders. Big gist, X down for Nigeria. Plenty people no fit access Twitter today. Social media buzz scatter everywhere. As X don freeze, hashtags like Hallelujah Challenge Feb 2026 and Zadieko Full Ground for online. Now Miss Nigeria plus World Cup matter full timeline for Twitter and TikTok today. Now so ebe for Naija tonight, trends full ground, gist no low. I be your guy for Pidgin Vibez News. We dey bring you the real gist. Catch you again tomorrow night. Peace.